Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use sleep noise analysis on the Sleep as Android app. To use sleep noise analysis, you can go right here into settings, then go into sleep noise analysis. In here you can pick a few settings. For example, if you want to record your sleep noises, you can turn it on. You can change the recording volume threshold to change the threshold at which it's going to be recording. The higher the sensitivity, the more noises it's going to record and the less significant those noises may be. You can also pick here to just do a few different things. Automatic deletion, for example, to get noise statistics. Change the place where they are saved. But in here you can, for example, look into sleep recognition and just look at different sounds to how sensitive you want the app to be to them. The higher you put the sensitivity, the more likely it is to detect those things, but it's also more likely to get false positives. For example, it may get some random grumbling through your sleep as talking, and just other sounds that aren't what they are being detected as this. You can also turn on Anti-Snoring, which will detect when you are snoring and use sounds, vibrations or notifications to stimulate you during your sleep to possibly prevent you from further snoring. Of course, you can turn off sleep noise analysis if you don't want it. Now, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.